It's really hot metal.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Charles, I need you to guide me.
I can't tell you how many times I've walked adults through that have said, man, if I had this when I was a kid, I'd be in a different place, or I would have known more sooner in my quest for my career. The kids want to come back. They want to see the next set of pods. They want to discover their pathway that they pulled on their maze card. So those have been some of the biggest takeaways at this point. We had one teacher say that as soon as this is built out, they're going to be done with their career days that they're trying to do at their own school and move their experiences here. They've also been asking, how does this check and fulfill opportunities with the state, and which Career Quest does fulfill that 30-minute experience that they've got to get as far as coaching is concerned, but also their career exploration day as well. We've got 3 upcoming pathways in production at different stages in their build out, and so we're excited that hopefully this summer and fall we're going to see at least 1 or 2 more pods be delivered here to Career Quest by the end of 2026. It's been 6 years that we've been here at this stage, dreaming about this, thinking about what Career Quest would be. Finally, people are able to see it, experience it. Kids have given us tremendous feedback. Nobody has said they're never coming back after their experience here in the pilot phase. Everybody wants more. We need to get it built, and we're ready to go.